Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Callie from Elements by Callie, and today I'm actually going to be showing you guys some of the waist beads I actually make. I've been making waist beads for about a year, and it started out just as something fun to do, and it's actually blossomed into like a little mini business, which I'm really happy about, and I'm really looking forward to actually growing the business. So I just wanted to take you with me today and show you how I've been organizing them so I can figure out what colors I have and which ones I still need to make. I've decided to hang them on this clothing rack secured with some hooks. That way when I'm traveling, I can put them together and take them apart fairly easy and set up at any show site. I'm getting ready to get ready for Marketplace. Spring break is coming as well as the summer. So I'm hoping to actually attend some of those marketplace venues and really put my brand out there. I do sell them online. I haven't gotten into wholesaling yet. That is something I'm looking into. But let's take a look and see some of the actual waist beads that I do offer. And definitely, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Also, like this video if you actually want to see more videos like this from myself. You can also follow me on my Instagram, which is Elements by Callie. I also have a secondary Instagram page, which is Shoe Diva Forever. I also do custom jeans, boots, hats, jackets, but really getting into waist beads has been my passion for about a year. And I just wanted to share with you guys some of the things I've made. And I'm actually going through my inventory right now to see what else I need to actually make in terms of colors or styles or things of that nature. So let's take a look and see what I have. So first we actually have right here on this side, I'll get a little closer. These are my elastic ones, okay? So these do not have the actual clasp on them. They're typically made to your exact size. So these are some of the earlier ones I made. The elastic ones do move with you. So if you're new to wearing waist beads and you're not really sure if you'll like them or not, starting out with some of the smaller waist beads, either size 6 or size 8, size 10 and 11. I'm sorry, 11 and 12 are my smallest ones. Those I call my micro mini waist beads. Those I make on elastic string as well as the 100% mercerized cotton. Those are the really tiny ones, which to me are the most comfortable because they're almost seamless to wear. And again, I make those in solid sets. I do have them in multicolors. Here are some other beautiful ones that I actually made in my micro mini sets that you can actually see here. I hope the lighting is good on those. And then again, all the way over to my size 6 and size 8. These are some of the ones I have. Now my tie-on sets, I actually make those up to 50 inches. And typically these I will leave at 50 inches and allow customers to buy them. And then when you get home, you actually tie them on yourself. And then the excess waist beads you can discard or use them later. Now, if a customer buys one and they're 50 inches and they're a size, 35 inches in the waist, I will typically, if they ask me to, take the remaining beads and make a anklet and a bracelet set if they need. Sometimes if there's enough, you can actually get both of those. So here are some more that I actually make. So again, this comes in the elastic, or you can do the tie-on. Here I have the anklet as well as the elastic in black and gold. Okay, these are some of my newer ones that I actually just posted and released. This one is actually my favorite right now. It's doing really, really well. It's called Fantasy. It is a baby pink with gold, hot pink, and like a lavender. This one I actually make on the elastic string as well as a tie-on set. Hopefully you guys can see that. This is probably my #1 bestseller right now, along with the Party Time, okay, which is this one. Reminds me of all the little candies you used to eat when you were growing up. That's what that one reminds me of. Those are my two top selling ones right now. So yeah, I think right now at last count I had just under 150 waist beads. I also do custom bracelets. things of that nature. So I'll post a separate video on those. But thank you for sharing your time with me today. And let me know if you have any questions, comments. Like I said, you can also follow me on Instagram, Elements by Callie. But that's just a little peek into my world and my little small business. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.